I'm Amy Dons, and I'm an artist and a wellness practitioner here in Regina, Saskatchewan. And I got into art probably about 6 years ago, and it was actually an impulse that I woke up to one morning and I really just couldn't ignore. I knew I had to start painting. And my friend actually had a tiny little easel, some paints from the dollar store, a little canvas, and she gave it to me, and I remember having to paint something tangible, like it had to be a tree. And well, I attempted that. The attempt didn't go very well. I think I still have that canvas. But what I found the more I kept painting was I was enjoying the process of it more than anything. And I realized that if I could let go of the idea of having to paint something tangible, that I could explore a lot more, kind of like when we're kids. So I would find anything I could get my hands on, any tools for my kitchen, like a spatula or old paper towel rolls even. And I really didn't have a lot of education with art or painting or even mixing colors, so I would just play with colors. And what I started to see happening was every time I would put like a layer, I use acrylic, so every time I would put a layer on a canvas, I would walk away and come back, and I would start to see images starting to form and appear. I would see lots of faces right off the hop. And then I decided, well, I can either bring them to life or not. So it was really, really free to me to be able to paint like that. And that evolved over time. And then people started getting interested in my paintings and wanting to buy them because of my wellness practice that I already had. And then after that, it was similar. I had another impulse experience knowing that I needed to paint the human body. And it was actually to raise awareness for body image issues, which is near and dear to my heart through my wellness practice as well, and also my personal story. So that turned into a huge gala about 3 years ago that we put on in the Creative City Center, where we painted 7 women, went through this whole process of being painted and photographed, and it changed their lives, and it changed mine too. I think the artist series was actually like an answering to a dream I had, which was to paint in public. And it was a really neat opportunity, also because Neuro Fitness Center provided this wellness experience where we got to experience a float session where you're basically in this dark pod and you get to sit with your thoughts forever. And then a brain training session or a neurooptimal session, which was a really deep journey of meditation. And during those two experiences, what was really interesting is I saw more than anything, or not even saw, it was a combination of seeing and feeling the expansion of the energy that was all encompassing, not just me painting, but the people that were there watching. Noor, who was doing the music and DJing, and the whole experience came to life for me pre-artist series. So living that out was enormous for me. It was literally like preconceiving something and then bringing it to full manifestation in form without even truly knowing what the painting would turn out like. But everything that I felt that night was aligned with all the pre-wellness experience. So that really showed me that creativity is always happening for us, and we can be aligned with it, or we might not be aligned with it. And that process really helped me dig deeper into my creative process and really see where combining and collaborating, not just with painting, but having it in a social setting and using meditation and the music is together was a full evolved art form in itself. Birthing artists, the way I work is when I'm in alignment, impulses just happen. And I literally just had the idea of I need to paint with Christian, and it felt very lighthearted and the right thing to do. So I just contacted him and he said yes. And it was really interesting that when I asked Christian to do it, Christian is an amazing artist. So when I look at his artwork, I get tingles up my spine. He's just absolutely incredible, but completely different the way I paint. So when I asked him and I said, okay, well, let's go downstairs and paint for a few hours, we had no idea where it was going to go. We were open to basically sharing each other's space and each other's energy and just working from a place and falling in love with not knowing what was going to happen. And we ended up painting in less than 2 hours this final picture that we both fell in love with. And then I interviewed him at the end. And what I realized Birthing Artists was and always will be is an evolving process of really inspiring creativity. I never knew I was an artist. It was literally an impulse from all this work that I had done on myself and in my life that guided me into painting, and painting has guided me in all these different, like, it just opened so many doors for me that I want other people to experience that. I really want other people to understand how much art and creativity is so important in our lives and really enhances our lives, and it just makes life more beautiful. It really truly does. So really, Birthing Artists is to inspire creativity with other artists, and I hope to paint with many artists and go through the same process. And not only that, but artists who are already artists to do what the Artist Series did for me as well, which is to dig deeper. I don't even think there's a lot of artists out there who realize their potential and who paint to please other people rather than painting from their inner being or their heart center. I really truly feel everybody is an artist, and that art has been kind of categorized into painting to sculpting to poetry to music. And yes, those are gateways and forms of art, but somebody can be creative in the kitchen. Somebody can be an artist with their child. People can be artists in their line of work. That's the whole thing about this, is when people come out, they can't help but get sucked in to the energy that is there, which is just pure creativity. And in my opinion, we are that. We are a source of creativity. We were created to be here for a reason. And watching and feeling that and being in that environment is so crucial and so vital to really make your lives flourish. Really make them vibrant and beautiful. And I guarantee you, give anybody an hour with me and I'll show them their own inner artistry. It's really true. People be like, oh, I can't paint. Well, I can't draw. I draw stickmen, but I paint abstract. That's just how I paint. I allowed myself to get in line with who I am as an artist. So stop trying to be like everybody else. You just need to find out who you are as an artist. So the next Artist Series is going to be an amazing show. We are taking it to the next level. We really truly are. If you're even have an inkling of coming out and checking us out, please do. I'm Amy Dawns. The next Artist Series is going to be June 18th at the Artful Dodger, starting at 8 p.m. Please come out right at the beginning. It's amazing because we actually start out with an opening meditation, and it's just a great way to set out the evening. And I'm really looking forward to painting with Christian Brano live on stage.